My name is Marian Small. I was lucky enough to be the author of this particular activity. And what we're trying to do is to help kids see how the area of a shape could actually depend more on how many pegs it takes to make the shape than what the shape is. So that's quite a departure. Most of us who are teachers learn that you find the area of a shape depending on what the shape is. This one says it has nothing to do with what the shape is. It has to do with what it looks like when you make it on a board. You look at the border when you put a design on a grid. So there is a fancy name for this particular rule. It's called Pick's theorem. And in this particular case, when students are building shapes that have one peg inside, it turns out that the area of the shape every single time will be half as big as the number of pegs on the border. So that's quite interesting. One of the advantages of a digital resource is that students can use the tool that's available, the interactive, to actually create these shapes simply without a lot of complication, and can easily vary things. So I make a little shape, then a big shape. And by doing lots of different shapes, it's possible to deduce a rule. You could let kids play with this and deduce the rule. You could also extend this for students to suggest what is the biggest area you can make on this particular grid.